Spy Wolf Cub is here to record how the cubs learn their place in the pack. He's been accepted as part of the family. They love to play and are equally matched, but their rough and tumble has woken the babysitter. She has strict rules, and one is, stay close to the den. It's time they were taught a lesson. But this wolf cub isn't showing the respect the occasion demands. She tries to roll him on his back. This is how wolves show they know their place. But the message isn't getting through. But he's still arguing back. Now she really gets tough, pinning him to the ground. She won't give up until he understands. He's got the message now. Lesson over. They now practice what they learnt on each other. It seems even Spy Cub must learn the pack rules. But he soon makes a dignified recovery.